The little bird's harassing the owl. There's the owl. And they didn't start harassing him. You can hear him. There's the owl. Sitting right there in the very... And you scroll, bang, zoom out. You zoom in. And he's sitting up there. And the birds aren't harassing him anymore. Sitting up there. He's right at the top of the bamboo. Oh, snow just almost fell on him. What if I beam him with the snowball? See, no way. Would never do that. Beam him. And zoom back out. And there's the dolly. Dolly, say hello. And here's some other stuff. Driveway. Let's go back to the owl and see what he's doing. Just kind of sits on that perch for hours. I don't know how he does that. Sits there. Not a care in the world. These things are